Today we are taking a deep dive into the 2026 Jeep Gladiator Apocalypse, a machine built for drivers who crave extreme off-road strength, aggressive design, and modern technology in one unforgettable truck. This latest Gladiator Apocalypse pushes the limits of what a mid-size pickup can do, combining legendary Jeep capability with serious performance upgrades and futuristic features that make every drive feel like an adventure waiting to happen. Under the hood, the 2026 Gladiator Apocalypse is expected to feature a powerful supercharged V8 engine, delivering massive horsepower and torque, giving this truck the strength to conquer dunes, rocks, mud, and highways with equal confidence. Paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission and intelligent 4-wheel drive system, the Gladiator Apocalypse offers incredible traction stability and control in the harshest terrains. The exterior design is impossible to ignore, with massive 40-inch off-road tires, reinforced steel bumpers, widened fenders, and an aggressive lifted stance that instantly dominates the road. Bright LED lighting, a redesigned grille, and armored skid plates add both style and protection, making this truck look ready for any battlefield or mountain trail. Step inside and the cabin reveals a perfect mix of rugged durability and modern luxury. Premium leather seating, contrast stitching, and durable materials ensure comfort even during extreme adventures. The large, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while a customizable digital driver display keeps vital vehicle data clear and accessible. Jeep also adds advanced driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, trail cameras, and off-road navigation, designed specifically for explorers who love pushing beyond the pavement. Multiple terrain modes, improved suspension articulation, and heavy-duty axles help the Gladiator Apocalypse climb, crawl, and power through obstacles that would stop ordinary trucks. Another exciting highlight is the upgraded over-the-air software system, allowing the truck to receive performance improvements, navigation updates, and new digital features without visiting a dealership. Enhanced surround view cameras, smart towing assistance, and improved trail mapping make long expeditions easier, safer, and more enjoyable. The 2026 Jeep Gladiator Apocalypse is more than just a pickup. It is a statement of power, freedom, and unstoppable adventure. If you love extreme trucks, groundbreaking technology, and vehicles built for wild terrain, this machine deserves your attention. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for the latest car updates, reviews, and future automotive innovations, because the next generation of powerful machines is only getting started, and you do not want to miss what comes next in the world of incredible performance trucks and extreme off-road engineering. Stay tuned for more exciting vehicle reveals, detailed breakdowns, and real-world truck stories coming soon right here on our channel, where passion for cars never slows down and the adventure always continues forward with power, style, and unstoppable energy. For true truck fans everywhere around the world who love machines built to explore, conquer, and dominate every road, trail, desert, and mountain ahead of them. Sport utility vehicle, fire television.